Hi everybody and welcome to this flip through of my Grunge Folio journal. It's my first attempt really at grunge, and let me tell you, it will not be my last. This is a whole genre that I've always admired from afar and thought that I just couldn't do it because it's just too neat and tidy in my work, not necessarily my life. So here we go. Let's walk through it and see what there is. So it's got this string and button closure on the front, a little flap there that comes open, and it opens again and it opens again. So there we are. Let's do the inside first. We'll do this part first. So here we have a pocket with some lace on, which I dyed with some distress ink. And in the pocket we've got these papers, by the way, are from my porch prints and they're fabulous. They made my life so much easier. I really like them. Thank you, Stephanie, they're great. This was just a piece of ephemera that I had, but I just found it funny. It's Fred Brown's Ginger, and it cures cramps and colics, relieves flatulence from overeating, and on top of all these other things it does, will redden the skin but will not blister. I mean, honestly, thank goodness medicine's improved. And here we have this lovely little, you can see I've stenciled on it, little notebook here. I've stenciled inside the front covers. It's got coffee stain paper in, and it's got some gorgeous tags that came from Tailor Made Journals, the Pharmacist kit. If you can't find it in that kit, then you're not trying. It's really good kit, comprehensive. And here we have the actual journal that all this is about. So it's got a design sheet front page, coffee stained paper, music paper, vintage music paper, I must add, it's gorgeous. Small insert of coffee stained, then some ledger paper folded up, ready for you to put things in, coffee stained graph paper, and this is vellum. It's proper vellum and it's gorgeous. It feels and sounds beautiful. That's another My Porch Prints design sheet. Coffee stained, and then here's another piece of vellum. I just liked it so much, and I thought that you, whoever it is that buys this, would love it too. It's just the feel, the noise, it's beautiful. Coffee stained, and a map of South Africa, and then of course we go back through them the other side with all the vellum and everything in there. So that's a really useful journal, I think. And then here we have a belly band, and we've got a journaling card there, and it's held onto the belly band via an altered paper clip. This is just a collage I've stenciled before with some Cosmic Shimmer gilding polish, before I stuck the collage down. It's just coffee stained paper inked around on the back, and that just, you can see I've collaged the page as well. I ran this through an embossing folder and then just applied walnut stain ink to the top of it, and I love it. I must employ that technique again, it's great. And here's some more of that vintage music page, and that just tucks in there, and it's held in place by the altered paper clip, like so. Don't be awkward now because you're being filmed. That's it. This lovely brown satin bow there, it's lovely, and some bits of sari silk, really gorgeous. And here we have the man himself. This is the Pharmacist, at least he is in my journal. So it's some very shiny turquoise fabric with some black net over it, and then some cream aged lace down there, and I've put him on atop of that with a little sign that I've typewritten myself that says the Pharmacist. And he's a side pocket, and he's got this journaling card, which is more of that paper I explained to you earlier, and ready for journaling on the back. Tab on the side, that slides in there, and then this page here is actually an envelope, so I've cut it open along that side, and here's another large journaling tab on the side, a collage of pharmacy type things. You can see it's got a bit of glitter to it there, lots of journaling on the back, and that just slides into that envelope there, and that completes the inside. So when you flip this over, this is what you get. It's just too cute, isn't it? This was not my original idea. It's Stephanie's from My Porch Prints, but it's Mrs. Pharmacy Woman. She's a seamstress, and this is what she does. And she's got a journaling card in there, nice sizable one with scissors on it, because that's what she uses. And then I've attached to the laces of her corset a little pair of scissors here. They're free floating, and I imagine she can grab them and use them when she needs to. Bodice has got this lovely stenciling sort of pattern on the silk, if you like, and then that folds over, and there we have it. I haven't put anything there because things on the back always tend to get caught on things, and so I like to leave that plain. And that is our Pharmacist junk journal folio. Hope you enjoyed that. It will be for sale in my Etsy shop very soon. Bye.